was awesome. Hey guys, it's Marky, what's up? I'm still at Magic Kingdom, continuation from yesterday's vlog. Didn't want to make a super long vlog, and I don't want to leave Magic Kingdom yet, so we're still vlogging here at Magic Kingdom. He was with me, of course. We've been here for a little while. Just the afternoon. I mean, there's a party tonight, so there's a Christmas party. They're closing at 6. You have until about 7 to leave the park, complete your purchases and whatever, and then you gotta leave. Only people with a special ticket for the Christmas party, which we do have tickets, but our tickets are next month, so we will be coming in December to the Christmas party. Looking forward to that. Well, we've been seeing a lot of things that are getting ready here. We're getting ready for the party, which is really great. And we're just gonna check out Tron before we leave. One of the things we wanted to see is Tron racing around. It's so cool to see it. Really enjoy it. It's always fun to check out Tron. I'm gonna shoot my second shot of Tron is gonna be right here, I think, babe. Right here. Oh, here they come. Wow. So amazing. Yeah, let's get another angle. It's really cool to see them. They go so fast. The launch, when you ride it, every time I'm on it, it scares me, man. That launch is pretty powerful. For a guy who doesn't like radical roller coasters, I can't believe I do it. It's pretty cool. Where is it? It's where's the track? Oh, right behind me. Might be coming around. Hard to keep up with them.
I know.
If I was using my phone, it's easier. It's easier with my phone, but with this camera, it's a little harder to keep up.
It doesn't push in the screen.
I have the gimbal on, but I can lock it so it won't move, and then you can use it as a. Oh, here they come! Whoa! Always fun, man. Always fun, no matter where you're standing. It's pretty cool. Yeah. There's the line. Here they come. Oh my God. There they go. Woo! That made me dizzy. Trying to keep up with them makes you dizzy. Oh man. All right, I think I'll get him and right here, and then I'll go around to the other side. They should be coming around the corner now. Here they come. Whoa, there they go. All right. I'm gonna cross under so I can catch the other side. Let's see. It's a pretty long line. I think that's a standby. I think Lightning Lane is on the left. Tron! Let's see if I can still go under the bridge. I don't know if they changed it, but there should be a little bridge here where you can go under the roller coaster. And this is where you can try the seats, guys. If you're not sure if you want to ride it, you can see how it feels. Some people get on and go, no way, I'm not going to do this. But you don't always have to sit like that. You don't have to. You can ask for the back seat, which is like being in your living room. It's like a nice big comfy love seat back there. Love seat for 2, so it's great. Here they come, here they come. Whoa! Oh man, so awesome. All right, let's catch this angle. It's probably one of the best angles here because you see them coming down and then going up. So it's really great. Right about here. Looks like they're running fast, one after the other. Whoa. To me, it even seems like they're going faster than ever. I don't know why it seems so fast. Seems like they keep coming faster and faster. Let's wait and see. I wish I could ride with the camera. The one time I tried to, they didn't let me. The first time I did, they did let me, but then when they, I think when they started the ride, that was at the beginning, and then they started like telling everybody you can't ride with the camera or whatever. But if you have one that straps to your chest, you can, or one, I think one that straps to your wrist is okay as well, so it gotta be like a GoPro or something like that. I don't have a GoPro. There they go, man. That was cool. Where did Eva go? I think I lost her. I thought she was like behind me, but she obviously took a different route. I think she went down Route 66. Oh, here she comes. Oh, here they come again. Nobody wants to wave because they're so scared. I try to get them to let go of the handlebar, but I know it's freaky, man. You don't want to let go of the handlebar. As a matter of fact, something about it makes you grab on really tight and it kind of hurts. You're like squishing your hand, and the grips are not rubber. They're like metal, and they have like little teeth so that you grip onto them, and they actually hurt. Everybody was like, when I rode it the first time, we were all like, oh, our hands, because you really grab on tight, and then you realize later, oh, these things pinch. That guy wasn't even holding on. That's the first one that I see that doesn't hold on. Wow, he was just like flying like Superman or something. That was cool. That was awesome. Why? I'm so beautiful. Why don't you take my picture? Just kidding, guys. I understand. I could break a camera. All right, I'll get out of your way. I'll stand over here. I don't mind if you're in my picture. It'll be a different angle because we already did that angle she's doing right now. Here they come. Whoa, here they come. Hands up, guys, hands up. There's one in the back. Oh my God. The guy in the back is, oh, it's a girl. The girl in the back and the girl like in 3 seats ahead. 2 girls with their hands up. Wow, the girl in the backseat, babe, she had him up the whole time. I'm like, oh my God, how did she do that? How can she do that? That's crazy. Let's see, anybody here? Yeah, the second guy. Wow.
You hear it? It has a different music. Do you hear it as it's going by? It's playing a different...
I don't hear it. She says the actual train has different music on. I didn't hear that. Could be, could be. Let me see if we can catch them over there when they're taking off. I mean, when they're climbing up. Here they come. Whoa, 4 guys not holding on, like they're flying. Those guys are used to it, man. There were like 4 of them. 4 of them were like, yeah. I think it was so cool, man. That was awesome.
I didn't give you water yet.
There, take my water.
But you need to have some too.
I'm gonna have some now.
Oh my God, it makes you want to go on so badly.
Yeah. It's really fun. What was the wait? It looked long, man. Because you know that once you go inside, it's a long wait too.
It's more than
Wait,
an hour.
open it for me. No?
I think it was more than an hour. If you go on the regular.
Close it up for me, babe. Here they come, guys. Here they come. Hands up, people.
That first one looked terrifying.
They couldn't do it.
She looked like me.
She looked scared. All right,
Even
put
I
my
have
water in
never
there.
done the first.
I was like,
I don't like the bike. Oh look, my thing is doing the colors. I didn't realize it was on.
TRON colors? That's cool. Here they come again.
You don't hear it? It's playing a different song.
I can't tell.
Yeah. They have a song playing while they're riding.
How much time we got, babe?
Not
What do you want to ride? That's it? All the rides are 30 minutes or more. I think 45 right now for Jingle Cruise. 45 minutes.
Look at Tron, dude. It's long.
What do you mean long?
Line.
Oh, the line. Yeah, I walk right by the line. Love it, man. Love it. So tell me, would you guys go on there? Comment below. Would you go on? Would you go on Tron? Comment below. And would you let go?
Takeoff is something.
All right. If you let go on this kind of ride, comment let go. If you hold on, say hold on for my dear life. Let me know, guys. Whoa, whoa. There he goes. Oh, that's so neat. Gotta love it. 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 I wonder if they have anything new at the depot over there. Whew. The launch depot. Look at Space Mountain. Tron fits right in, right next to Space Mountain. It turned out good. It looks like it belongs here in Tomorrowland.
It really does.
Yeah, it turned out really good. Here's the sign. Live from Tron in Walt Disney World. Being silly, being silly.
It's 70 minutes.
Brian Whitney, give me a joke. Brian Whitney always has jokes. Drop one in the premiere of this video, Brian. Drop a new joke. Something I haven't heard yet, Brian. Something I haven't heard. Launch depot. Let's go into the depot we'll cross through the depot. I want to get Eva to ride Space Mountain with me. Babe? Space Mountain. How many minutes? Let's do it.
Never.
Today is the day. Oh, she said never. Oh, baby, I didn't know. I thought you were gonna like build yourself up to it.
Never gonna be a thing for me.
How about Expedition Everest?
Yes, that's a maybe.
Maybe? All right, cool. We got a maybe.
I don't like the seats in Space Mountain. I've observed those. I don't like it.
Yeah.
They're too loose.
Well,
You have nothing good gripping you down.
oh my God, there's a Buzz right here. Hello, Buzz. I'm Buzz Lightyear. I defend the galaxy from Zorg. This is the way out from Space Mountain. You walk right into the store here. Like most rides do.
Shirt from here. Remember that I got it?
Huh?
I got the front shirt, the black one.
Dude, what can we get here to give Jesse and and Woody as a gift? Nothing. I think we get him. I think it'd be good if we get him popcorn. Be like, we want to see you eat this popcorn.
Yeah, that's fine.
Poor Woody, poor Jesse. Messing with Woody and Jesse. They'll be like, no. They'll be like, what? What are you talking about? What are you gonna film? Oh, these are the people that we just saw coming down the thing. Babe, you got the floor. Did you want to tell me something about my chat? You want to tell us?
Before.
No. You gotta talk to the chat. Talk to the chat. You're blank?
I'm blank, man.
All right.
Blank.
I gave you your chance.
Can't put me in,
Okay. Speedway. Red car. That's a student still learning how to drive right there, I think. She's learning. People mover passing by. It's a great spot, man, where you can see People Mover and Tomorrowland Speedway at the same time. I love it. Here comes a blue car. Let's see if we get a People Mover passing by on top. Oh, looks like we are gonna get lucky. Yes. That's fun. That's fun, man. I love riding those. I wish they went a little bit faster, but they're fun. When you're on it, it's cool. You have a good time. Maybe when you're looking, you're like, oh no. But yeah, it's fun. You gotta ride it. You gotta ride it. You gotta ride it. You gotta ride it. The overlay is beautiful when it starts to light up. It's really pretty. It's a big difference. So different than the usual, you know, like what they usually have here. Oh baby, look at the Galactic Gateway. Got the Christmas trees up. We saw the big Christmas tree here at Main Street USA at Town Square when we came in. If you didn't see that blog, it's a few blogs back, just 1 or 2 blogs back or 3 blogs back, something like that. But yeah, if you look over here, I gotta go. I'm checking out all the Christmas trees now because this is the season, guys. So before I get on any ride, I'm gonna check out this Christmas tree set up over here. This is where we all come and dance, have a good time. It's really fun. Really fun, really fun. Club Tinsel. Sweet name, Club Tinsel. All right. It's set up really nicely. It's always fun here. The kids have a lot of fun. Grown-ups have fun. It's great. Really cool. I love what they do for New Year's and some of the other parties. It's really cool. And there we have them. There's the the sound booth. Nice. The sound booth is cool. Gotta love the sound booth. People Mover has a long line. I don't think I want to be filming the whole line. This thing's over here. Guys, again, it happened again. Guys, the people here are like terrible, terrible. They're always opening up the stink bomb. Which way? Which way, babe? Oh, this way. Is it this way? This way. Oh my God. That was bad, man. Stinky people of the world. I know, everybody does it. But we don't want to run into somebody else's stink. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna ride People Mover. How long is this vlog so far? 17 minutes. 17 minutes. How long do you think this line is? It looks a little like it's gonna be like more than 10 minutes, right? Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna have to edit. I didn't want to have to edit, but maybe I'm gonna have to edit it together, guys.